Welcome to Section 1, the rise of 3D printing. This remarkable technology has revolutionized manufacturing by bringing digital flexibility to physical production. From creating intricate jewelry to building parts for space rockets, the versatility of 3D printing is rapidly expanding its influence across numerous industries. As these printers become more accessible and affordable, a growing number of enthusiasts and entrepreneurs are exploring the commercial potential of this technology. The ability to turn a digital file into a physical object has not only changed the production landscape, but also opened up myriad opportunities for innovation and profit. However, transitioning from a hobby to a profitable venture involves navigating complex legal and market landscapes. Understanding these can be the difference between success and costly missteps. The appeal of 3D printing lies in its promise of customization and speed, but these advantages also bring challenges, particularly in the realms of intellectual property and market competition. By grasping these challenges, enthusiasts can transform their innovations into lucrative businesses. Moving on to Section 2, Legal Foundations, Copyrights, Patents, and Licensing. Before diving into 3D printing for profit, it's crucial to understand the legal groundwork. Copyrights, patents, and licensing play pivotal roles in protecting creations and defining what others can legally replicate. Copyrights protect artistic works, while patents cover inventions and new designs, crucial for unique 3D printed objects. Navigating this legal terrain requires careful strategy and often professional advice. For instance, if you create a unique 3D design, patenting it can prevent others from making, using, or selling it without your permission. Conversely, using someone else's patented design without consent can lead to legal challenges, emphasizing the need for due diligence. Licensing offers a pathway to profit by allowing others to use your designs while you retain ownership. This can be particularly lucrative in industries like gaming or entertainment, where custom figurines or parts are in demand. By licensing your designs, you can earn royalties, a steady income stream, while protecting your intellectual property rights. Now let's delve into Section 3. Practical tips for monetizing 3D printing. Turning 3D printing into a profitable business involves more than just understanding legalities. It requires smart marketing and business acumen. The first step is identifying a niche market with a demand for 3D printed products. Whether it's custom prosthetics, bespoke jewelry, or architectural models, find a sector where your products solve a specific problem or fulfill a unique need. Next, focus on building a strong brand. Your brand should communicate the quality, uniqueness, and value of your 3D printed products. Developing a robust online presence through a website and social media can help attract and educate potential customers about the benefits of your offerings. Lastly, consider diversifying your revenue streams. Beyond selling products, you can offer 3D printing services, run workshops, or create online courses teaching others how to design for 3D printing. Each stream can add significantly to your profitability while establishing you as an expert in the field. Section 4. Success Stories Learning from the Best. Many entrepreneurs have successfully turned their passion for 3D printing into profitable businesses by wisely navigating the legal and market landscapes. For instance, a startup specializing in customized 3D printed prosthetics has not only innovated in product design, but also smartly navigated through complex patent landscapes to protect their inventions. Another success story involves a small business that creates bespoke 3D printed jewelry. By obtaining exclusive licenses to use certain precious metal sintering techniques, they've carved out a unique niche. Their story underscores the importance of combining creative solutions with strategic legal protections to outmaneuver larger competitors. These examples illustrate that success in 3D printing isn't just about having the best technology or ideas. It's also about understanding how to protect and commercially exploit your innovations. Learning from these success stories can provide invaluable insights into creating a sustainable business model. Section 5. Conclusion: Carving your niche in 3D printing. 3D printing offers a frontier full of possibilities for those willing to explore them. By understanding the legal aspects and coupling them with strategic business practices, you can not only avoid common pitfalls, but also carve out a profitable niche in this exciting field. Encouragement to engage with this technology should come with a caution to navigate its complexities responsibly. By doing so, you can ensure that your journey from 3D printing enthusiast to entrepreneurial success is both legally sound and commercially viable. Let this be a call to action for all aspiring 3D printing entrepreneurs. Dive into the possibilities, understand your legal boundaries, and push the limits of what can be achieved. Your next big idea could be just a print away.